Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Untitled Chapter viewers. In this video, we've got a pretty cool one. We're going to be taking a look at this tempered glass screen protector by ESR. Now this is actually for the 6.1 inch iPhone 2021 with easy installation frame. So let's take a look and see how it goes. Got the knife here, slide that right open. And here it is, nothing else in the box. So we can set that off to the side and look at that. We've got 1, 2, 3 cleaning kits, which means there should be 3 pieces of glass in here. Yes, there are. That is awesome. For the price, man, this is hard to beat. So we've got, here is one of the pieces of glass. So this is a screen protector. You guys can see right there, cut out at the top and looks very clear. So let's take one of them out with one cleaning kit here. And I think you have to actually use this, maybe. Not sure. I'm gonna have to read the instructions on how to do this. I do like these kits that come with one of these borders because it just makes things a little easier. Okay, nope, you don't use this. So this should be very easy. Just open this up, use the cleaning kit provided. So it looks like we've got, let's see, we've got a microfiber, we've got a dust removal sticker, and let's feel how, this feels pretty good. And we've got the wet wipe, but my iPhone's so new, it really, there's not a whole lot to it. Just going to do this real quick on camera for you guys. So step 1 was to wipe it down. Step 2, clip it on like so. There we go. Very easy to do there. No problems with that. So of course you guys would have wiped down with the wet wipe and everything. Go through all those steps. Personally, like to use compressed air to also get some of the dust off. So then you're going to take this and peel it like so. And then supposedly this makes it very easy to install. So let's see if it really is that easy. So I'm just going to push it up against the top here and I guess let it drop. Kind of moved there on me. So I think you press the center here and that is satisfying. So yeah, I left some dust in there, but after 24 hours, this is a pro tip that I didn't used to know when I was younger. A lot of these air bubbles will actually go away after 24 hours. Believe it or not, it's kind of crazy, but it's true. So I used to get really frustrated when I would put these on. That was probably the easiest one I've ever done or close to it because I just did that on camera. I've never done this on camera because it's usually something that's very tedious, but that was super easy. I'm gonna push this down just to make sure everything is good. And then I'm going to peel this up. It's too easy. So I'm gonna use this real quick. Just push down on all the edges. You wanna get all the air bubbles out and some of them will come out within 24 hours. Like I said, when I was younger, I used to get mad and take them off and rage quit. But if I would have just waited 24 hours, a lot of the bubbles go away. Some of these won't because I didn't clean this properly. I'm just doing it on camera. Look at how precise that is. And I just literally dropped it into that case, into this frame. I just dropped it in. I didn't even line anything up. That frame just made it perfect. This is amazing, guys. This is a really good, easy screen protector to install. I'm gonna do some touch sensitivity here. Everything seems super responsive, no issues there. Feels super smooth. Let's check for fingerprints. Don't see any. So it's got an oleophobic coating on it for sure. Not sure how long that'll last. Some of them don't last super long, but that was stupid easy. Like if I had to give one of these to my parents or my sister and just said, hey, install this screen protector, because they always come to me to do it. Now I can just hand them this and give them an ESR screen protector and say, hey, do it yourself. But I do recommend going over your phone with the wet wipe and everything included just to get some of these dust pieces out. But man, I am thoroughly impressed. And for the price, you can't beat it. Now, for razivity and stuff, like normally these will hurt your finger a little bit. This one, it's not super smooth, but this is not a super bulky screen protector by any means. So I approve of this one. This is nice. I typically don't use cases or screen protectors, but I'm going on like a camping trip or something. I'll slap on a case and a screen protector just to make sure everything stays clean. For something like this, this is a go for sure. You get 3 in the box, and for the price, I mean, how can you beat that? I'm going to stop raving about this product. Go check it out for yourself. Links down below. If you like the video, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.